The question we have is integration of sine 5x by 2 upon sine x by 2, and here are the following options A, B, C and D. So how will we solve this? Firstly, we'll evaluate the numerator and denominator, which will come out to be here as 2 sine A cos B upon 2 sine A cos A. Okay, 2 sine A cos B will result in this part, and 2 sine A cos A is nothing but sine of 2A. So sine 2 brackets x by 2. Now we'll expand this in two halves. Sin 3x formula is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So simply we'll put this. Okay. Then sin 2x formula is 2 sin A cos A. So we again divide this in three parts. Sin x will get cancelled. So we'll left with only 3 here. Then we'll be left with 4 sin square x. And here we're left with 2 cos x. So integration of dx is x. Integration of sin square x will be 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. This is the formula. And cos x will be plus sin x. Hence, we will get the equation this. X plus 2 sin x plus sin 2x plus a constant. The answer is the A option.